Here is how to clear the standby memory cache on your Windows PC using a free official tool from Microsoft. If your computer has been running slowly or stuttering, clearing the standby list may help free up RAM and improve performance. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Windows search bar and launch Task Manager. Select Performance from the left-hand menu, then click Memory. Here, you can check how much RAM is currently being used as cached memory. Keep in mind that Windows normally manages this memory automatically, but if you're experiencing performance issues, you can clear it manually. Open your browser, search for Microsoft RAM Map, and select the official Microsoft sysinternals page. Download RAM Map, extract the zip file, and then launch rammap.exe. If prompted, allow the program to run with administrator privileges. Once RAM Map opens, click Empty in the menu bar at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Empty Standby List. The standby memory will be released immediately. If you return to Task Manager, you should see the amount of cached memory drop significantly. And that's it. If this quick fix helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.